Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Smile at its intensity. The pain or discomfort was first created in the mind. It's the perpetual aggravation that magnifies its intensity. When we dread it and fear it, we only bring about its very essence. Accept you're human, and you will feel, but smile at its intensity. Know the source within you says anything is possible, and anything is within our reach. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe that if you let go of all those ego issues, you'll feel so good, and just allow God, the universe, whatever you want to call it, to open the doors for whatever it is you desire. Truly desire from the heart, though. If you follow love, you'll always be happy. And when you're going through some miserable times, know that God is there for you. He's in you. You're a part. He's a part of you. You're a part of him. We're all one. I know it's very hard to comprehend, for me anyways, but it's true. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.